downloading Procreate brushes and stamps can be intimidating because it's like, what do I do? So I'm going to walk you through that. I'm going to go through the process of showing you how to upload it. It's super simple. You'll be really surprised. But this is my Etsy shop, Sweet Pea Paisley, and I'm going to open it up. I have some brushes here. I'm adding more. But right now, let's just say you were interested in purchasing the Pet Doodle brush set. What you'll do is you'll add it to cart. Okay, you'll look here and it tells you there's a JPEG, there's a zip file, and there's a Procreate file, or it says one other file, which is a Procreate file. The zip one I just give you just in case you save it on your computer for some reason, but you have to right click on it, and it's been like compiled, so you have to undo that. But if you just do what I'm going to show you, you shouldn't have to do anything different because you've got that Procreate file here. Okay, so you're on your iPad. You purchase it, you save it to what? That's the key. Where did you save it? I always save mine to files. So I am searching. Do you know how to search your iPad? You just swipe down. Okay, if a thing comes up, I'll type in files because that's where I saved it. Okay, when I get to files, I'll go up here to the top and I'll search for what the name of the set is. And it was, what was the name? That is important to remember. Something about pets. Okay, Pet Doodle Your Pet brushes. So here they are. I'm going to click on this. Watch what happens. It's import. Did you see it said importing? And it's done. And so you might be like, okay, what happened? I don't see them. That's because the brushes don't come out. They're not, this is all the projects. The brushes are like inside the projects basically. So like if I select here, you can't see where the brushes are. So we have to open up a project, or you can just like start a new one. Here's one I'm just going to open up. And now I'm going to go up here to the brushes, and I'm going to look to see where the Pet Doodle, if the Pet Doodle downloaded. And it did. It downloaded right here at the very top. And so all of those pet, let me click on that. All those pet, not accessories, pet doodles are right here. And that's it. That's how easy it is. So easy. I have two on here because I already had one and I started to pull one down and I was starting to put stuff in alphabetical order. So I don't need two. So if you happen to get multiple things that you want to get rid of one, just click on it, tap, and then delete. And so I don't need that one. There we go. That's how you download the brushes. And then I've got the dress up accessories that are super cute that go with the pets, or you can do it on people as well. Let me just give you a cute little sample of the brushes. So we got to make a new layer. There's the glasses. And I love this one. That's so fun to put on top of your pet. I'll show you some pictures, some things that I've done with them under pets. There we go, pet doodles. So to show you some of the, here's the graduation cap and the glasses that came with that set. The pet that came with the dress up set. The pet set has the little dog tag here and the heart tags, and that had the tags in the back as well. The paw prints were on the pet one. The hat was in the dress up accessories. There's the cute little bunny flower crown I was telling you about. So this is just a bunch of stuff I've had fun with. That's the glasses again. Work in progress, some of these are. Bow tie, the bow tie is one of them as well. They all come in black and white, so you colored them in as you want. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, so anyway, I'll come back and I'll show you some more of my stamps as I create them.